Alright guys, the other day I did some of the Avalon King ceramic coating on about half of the windshield here, just to see what it would do, and it hasn't rained, but it is interesting to see the difference in just the dew laying on it. So curious to see how it reacts. Kind of cool. There it is from the inside. So I'm kind of curious to see what it does without wiping the windshield, to see what it does going down the road. Exactly what I wanted to see. That's pretty amazing. Alright guys, put the Del Sol back over here at the shop, and I can't even explain to you how much I really love this car. Like, it's just such a fun car, and it looks pretty cool. I think they're really cool looking cars. I mean, it's not just a Civic, it's a Civic of the sun, which is better. So today got Icon Motorsports Type R lip. Pretty simple. You get that put on here. I bought the Type R lip, Type R grill, and everything for the Civic, and a brand new bumper, but I never did put them on, so I just gave them to the guy that got the car. But this is gonna get the Type R bumper, and since we haven't painted anything yet, and it's black anyways, so we'll just slap it on there. So, be cool. Man, this is a sweet little motor. I love this little thing. There we go. Get the nose in there, it'll jack it up a little bit for me. Get this thing put on. Look at this. This thing guns with a ton of hardware, and I really don't know why. Look at this. Got some brackets and some other stuff, some screws. Like, I have no idea where all this goes to. First thing I'm gonna do is get these things off. You see they've already pretty much gone away anyways at the bottom. They just scrub everywhere. I may leave the rears, but definitely get these front ones going. Alright guys, so you see I pretty much got it lined up here in the front where it's going in the little groove there, and it's coming around, it's dropping into this little groove here. Look on the sides. That's how short this thing is. That's insane. Like, it won't even like push down enough to make that go around. Like, I'll try to do one side and then the other, and it literally looks the same on both sides there. So this will not fit at all currently, because this is just way too short. And it looks like what they did is they, ground them down and bent them over. They were obviously using the wrong measurements. This is not right. However, it says Del Sol 93 to 96 TR style front lip. This one was made in April 17th of 2019. And it does not fit at all. But I'm gonna see if I can cut this apart and see if I can stretch this thing back out and make it work. Maybe. All right guys, so this side I left alone because it seems like it might be more correct. But this side over here, I took the heat gun to it and tried to, I split it with the knife here to break it apart at the bottom, and then heated it up and flattened it out, and I'm gonna try to remark it, see if I can make this thing work. You see how much shorter that is there, where it's supposed to be at. This is kind of crazy. This is where they had an older lip before. I think it probably needs to be ran down here a little bit tighter than the way they had it. Draw me a new line on here. See if we can rebend this thing. All right, there's the lip now, and it does fit a little better. I've got right above this little dip right here. It drops into there. This stretches on around. Still kind of warm. It does look kind of ugly, but I think that'll sand out and be okay. Get this into that little spot right there. Tuck this in. Should give us something to screw to. So we'll get the other side attached and then work on this side. Try to get that done. I'm gonna add a little bit of tape to the middle section first. You can see where they had some tape on here from the last lip that they had on here years ago. All right, guys. Front lip is now screwed into place, and now it fits pretty good all the way around. This part looks a little shabby. We got some sandpaper here, and see if I can just block this out a little bit, get it smooth, see what happens. All right, it definitely looks a lot better. I'm gonna hit it with some finer stuff now. First hit it with a 120, and then I went back with some really fine 2000 grit. Smoothed it down pretty good. It's not perfect. It actually needs a little bit of filler or some Bondo glass or something there, and when we get ready to paint this, we might hit it, but we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna hit it with some brake cleaner, and then attach it, just tap a little bit of paint, put a little bit on there. All right, guys, I hit that little corner there with some gloss black just to try to hide the scuff marks in it. Definitely looks better. So, just don't have to be perfect now because we still got plenty of paint, chip paint and stuff to fix on the thing before we get to anything that really matters or shows too much. All right, guys, there it is. I went ahead and dusted the whole thing with some paint just to give it all the same kind of look across through there, just so it doesn't look too out of place with this one part being painted. But I don't think it looks too bad. It's not perfect. I mean, kind of matches the rest of the car right now. So, but I think that looks pretty cool. Gives a little different look there. Well, I tried not to paint the front bumper too good, but it looks like it looks a little better than the rest of the car. But that's all right. At least it's black, and it fits now, so much better. It's got a pretty cool look. All right, guys, ready to roll. That's it. Cameron and I are about to head back to the house. There you go. And got a little bit of stuff done, so it's kind of good. A little bit more trouble than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a pretty quick video, but I do have a little bit of a rendering I kind of worked on this thing. Once you take a look at it, I did it white with some mint accents. And I may do that. I may either go flat white or gloss white. I really like the white. And then again, I may just stick with black and just do the satin black, flat black, whatever. It'll look pretty kind of cool too. So I'm trying to decide. So here, you just take a look at it. All right, guys. Finally in the car. Finally in the car.
Teleported here.
Yeah. So there is one other thing that I got going on with the car that I'm going to try my best to work. It's something I ordered for the car, and I don't want to say anything yet There may be some big changes happening up there.
Just one little change.
No, no, that the lip is, but I'm talking about something else. I'm talking about something big change.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No changing.
To the engine. I'm working on the engine, so.
No changing engine.
Cameron don't like change. So more coming up.